Ooh, my whole body is tight. My whole body is tight. My whole body is tight. Gonna make a somebody want to hear it go. My whole body is tight. I don't know what to do. That's why I came up to you. Ooh. When you're in a jam. Thumbs up the video, please. Thank you. Thumbs up. Thank you.
Ice in my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came
Hello, dear. How are we doing today? Good to see you. How we doing, my dear?
I'm good, I'm good, but
Comfort turn up.
I needed you this morning.
Hey, feeling a little
My
more,
whole body is tight, and
feel a
so
little more tightness.
first I have a bone to pick with you because my last visit I came and I thought I was going to see your face, and I saw someone else.
Oh, Dr. Barnum, yeah.
But you were excused because you were taking care of business. But I wanted to let you know I had a bone to pick with you.
Hey, well, I appreciate being missed on there. But those continuing education, let's try to get the best ones that I can get, especially the international ones. They're so much more informative.
Right. I was like, what? Okay,
yeah.
I'm gonna go with it though.
There's some good speakers. Usually 5,000 docs all over the world.
Oh wow!
So there's two big ones, one in Vegas and one in Florida. But we have speakers usually like Australia, Denmark, Sweden. They do a lot of research, so they're ahead of the. Well, they don't have FDA, so they're always a little bit ahead of us, like laser therapy, nutrition. So it's really cool to kind of see how they're treating stuff. And then they also do like chiropractor patient of the year award. Like there's one gentleman, he was a SARC for the Marines, and he had several IED explosions and couldn't hardly function. And then now he's back, special operator. In fact, he wasn't even there to receive his award. They piped him in, and he was like, "I'm at a undisclosed humanitarian, event." And but yeah, he was hardly even walking and could move. And then Parker Chiropractic Center in Dallas, they have a huge rehab lab, and so every day they would work with him and do neuro tests and all the latest, and put him, through simulated like 3D screen, like if he's on a mission, how he's moving, head position. It's really cool stuff. Wow. So pretty cutting edge. And then they do, chiropractor of the year, and stuff like that. So that's always neat.
And you went to get a tan.
This is unfortunately yard work has started.
Okay.
Weeds have started. Yeah.
I'm observing now. I'm like, wait a minute.
I promise you, the rest is pasty. Let's go on your side over there. It is only from the neck up for sure. But here.
Okay. See, it's been so long, I forgot how to do it.
As long as I don't forget, like we're good. But I'm back here. Your event was good, I heard, and everything was fantastic.
Yes. Oh, Elizabeth. That's my niece now.
Yeah, yeah, she's a sweetheart.
Amazing.
Yeah, she is she's one of those people never meets a stranger. You know, she is just got that knack. Roll this way towards me here.
So pleasant. Her and her husband. I'm so glad they had a good time.
Yeah, they spoke very, very highly of it. So no, that's awesome. More informed, we can get and let people know, hey, there's other options and things.
Yeah.
So sometimes, a lot of times you just don't know until you know. Very good there. Nice, very nice. But keeping lots of water for me and how's their protein? Getting plenty to eat?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Yeah, that was definitely ready, my dear. Definitely ready.
I gained 7 pounds.
That's awesome.
I told one of my one of the older ladies, I was so happy because she had gave me a hug one day last year. She was like, "Oh, you're so thin," and I'm just so tired of people saying it. But anyway, I told her one day, I said, "Look," I gained 7 pounds.
Yes.
And she said, "That's how much one of my thighs weigh."
Oh,
I said, "Now look, I gained 7 pounds. I need you to be happy
Right.
for me."
It's not about you. Hey, it's about me. But no, hey, you're one of my patients. Yes, I'm never worried about you having extra shake or something like that.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, we're not worried about you getting too heavy.
Yeah, I was because in November I weighed when I went to my permanent care doctor, I weighed 101.
That's
And
light.
I was like, oh my gosh. And I said, I need to gain some weight. So when I went last month, and I got on the scale, and it said 107 and stuff like that. I was 108. I was like, oh, thank you, Jesus. I don't know what nobody else say.
Hey, it's moving on up to the big time with that. Yeah.
I said, let me at least get to 120. 120 because 101 I had never been
that light.
but I got stressed out and all this kind of stuff. But
yeah.
it's good.
Hey,
I'm
that's
still
right.
moving.
Keep moving forward. But yeah, I'm not worried about any. Not worried about you. Over.
Leave me alone.
I'll let you. Hey, you got carte blanche, my dear.
Thank you so much, Doc. He's awesome, isn't he? All right, y'all.